How was she?
Bonjour, Zita. Madame was as a penis.
So did you sparrow his body? She wasn't normally. The show must go on.
And now, for the first time, I felt the cold stab of jealousy.
We have to end it. Everyone knows. Harold knows. Sooner or later, the Duke will find out too. On opening night, I have to speak to the Duke. Jealousy will drive me mad.
Then I'll write a song, and we'll put it in the show, and then bad things get, whatever happens, whenever you sing it, or whistle it or hum it, then you know what doesn't mean. If we love each other, I'm gonna be jealous.
Things don't work that way, Chef.
No rivers to
Nothing silly. Why would the courtesan choose the penniless writer? Stop there.
I don't like this ending.
Don't like D&D? Why do you do that?
Why would the courtesan choose the penniless sitar player over the Maharaja, who is offering her a lifetime of security? That's real love. Once the sitar player satisfies his lust, he will leave the courtesan with nothing. I suggest that in the end, the courtesan choose the Maharaja.
I'm sorry, but that ending does not uphold the meaning and ideals of truth. Really, freedom...
I don't care about your ridiculous dogma! Why shouldn't the courtesan choose the Maharaja?
Because it doesn't love you! Him. Because she doesn't love him.
Oh, I see. Well, this ending will be rewritten, with the courtesan choosing the Maharaja, and without the lover's secret song. It will be rehearsed tomorrow morning, ready for the opening tonight.
What might you do? That will be
Harold!
impossible.
Oh, the poor Duke is being treated appallingly. These silly writers let their imaginations run away with them. Now why don't you and I go for a little supper? And then afterwards, we can let them choose either know how we would prefer the story.